Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about PNC Bank, which is, can I deposit checks using the PNC Bank mobile app? The straight answer is yes. PNC Bank offers a mobile deposit feature within its PNC mobile app. This service allows you to deposit checks easily and securely using your smartphone or tablet. Here's a quick breakdown of how it works and what you need to know. Requirements and endorsement. To use the mobile deposit feature, you must have an eligible PNC Bank account and be enrolled in online banking. You also need a supported mobile device with a camera and the PNC mobile app installed. A critical step is correctly endorsing your check. You must sign the back of the check and write "for PNC mobile deposit" only below your signature. This special endorsement is required to ensure the deposit is processed correctly. The deposit process. The process is straightforward. Sign onto the PNC mobile app. Select the deposit option from the main menu. Choose the account you want to deposit the funds into. Enter the exact amount of the check. Take clear pictures of the front and back of your endorsed check using the app's camera feature. It helps to place the check on a dark, uncluttered background with good lighting. Review the details and submit your deposit. Funds availability and cutoff time. PNC has a cutoff time of 10 p.m. Eastern Time for mobile deposits on a business day. If your deposit is completed before the 10 p.m. Eastern Time cutoff on a business day, the funds are generally available on the next business day. If you deposit after the cutoff time or on a non-business day, like a weekend or holiday, the deposit is considered received on the next business day, and the funds are typically available on the day after that. Note on initial funds. PNC generally makes the initial $100 of your check deposit available on the evening of your deposit to cover items. The remainder of the deposit follows the standard availability schedule. PNC Express Funds. If you need immediate access to your money, PNC offers a service called PNC Express Funds. For a fee, this option makes the full amount of an eligible check deposit available right away for withdrawals and purchases. You are given the choice between standard funds availability, no fee, or express funds, for a fee, after capturing your check images. Deposit limits. There are limits on the amount you can deposit per day and per month. These limits can vary based on your account history and how long you've been a customer. A common limit for established customers, accounts open for 30 days or longer, is around $2,500 per day and $5,000 per month. For newer accounts, less than 30 days, the limits are often lower, such as $1,000 per day and $2,500 per month. You can check your specific deposit limits directly within the PNC mobile app by navigating to the deposit section. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.